Largest school district says it's found ways to close its budget gap for the next fiscal year. But as KPBS education reporter Katie Anastas tells us, things could still change as the state finalizes its budget.
Back in December, the San Diego Unified School District was facing a $47 million deficit for the next fiscal year. A lot has changed since then. Last week, the school board voted to eliminate more than 200 secretary, clerk, and other classified positions. That's expected to save about $19 million. The district has also brought in more revenue from interest income and an insurance settlement. There are also new expenses. The district reached an agreement with its teachers union in February that gives monthly payments to special education teachers whose caseloads are too high. Overall, district leaders say they're expecting to balance next year's budget. But the following year, the district could be facing an $87 million deficit. Superintendent Fabiola Bagula says now is the time to start planning.
We have a projected balanced budget for the 26-27 school year, but we need to continue to refine our multi-year plan leading up to the final budget adoption.
The district adopts its budget in June, typically before the state finalizes its budget. For now, the district has to make assumptions, like how much grant funding it will get from the state.
So if additional resources do materialize, we want to be thoughtful and strategize about how they could support our students and schools.
The district held a community input session last night. District leaders asked attendees what they should prioritize as they continue working on the budget. People who attended said they want after-school tutoring, language immersion, and trades programs. Katie Anastas, KPBS News.